Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I will teach you how to cook Filipino dishes, fish sour soup or sinigang, head of the salmon. So this is our ingredients: string beans, tomato, eggplant, lettuce, chili green, onions, sour powder or mamacitas, and the head of the salmon, guys, chopped salmon head. Okay guys, so first we boil water. Then put onions, chop onion. Then put chopped tomato. So wait for the water boiled. Then again put the eggplant. Then string beans. Put also with I put already also the chili green because I like spicy sour soup. Then after this guys, put cover, wait for a few minutes, boiled the water boiled, and then put the sinigang mix or sour powder. Then stir it, mix well. Then after that, cover up after boil the water. So now you can put the head of the salmon fish. Then you make this one, the head of salmon fish, filled with water. Then cover up. After a few minutes, the water boiled. You can put now the lettuce leaf, fresh lettuce leaves. But this one, guys, is need only half cook because half cook is good for the vegetable. Then for a few minutes, guys, cover up. Just wait for minutes, boiled only, just for half cook. So this is our fish salmon sour soup. So ready to serve. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Try it.